I have the pleasure to read the speech prepared on behalf of the President of the African Development Bank Group. Your Excellency Cabinet Secretary, Foreign Affairs, Your Excellency Cabinet Secretary, Environment and Forestry, Your Excellency IGAD Executive Secretary, Your Excellency IGAD Ministers, Development Partners, Ambassadors, and everyone present, good morning. I would like first to thank you for your invitation extended to the African Development Bank to participate in this ceremony, which marks the official opening of the IGAD Region Climate Prediction and Application Center. Let me stress how important this is for the bank to contribute to the launch of this center. The center that will provide capacity to the IGAD region to close the gap in the infrastructure and boost the socio-economic development of African countries through delivery of water, weather, climate services for a climate resilient future. The IGAD Climate Prediction and Application Center is at the heart of fostering climate services and knowledge to improve disaster risk management and to enhance community resilience in the region. With rising climate risk driving extreme events, the importance of powering access to high quality and reliable climate information cannot be overemphasized. The African Development Bank is therefore helping its regional member countries to better understand the climate risk, build climate resilient infrastructure, and facilitate the modernization of climate services to ensure that countries build resilience to climate and disasters. Our first urgent action is to build resilience and adaptation to the adverse impacts of climate change for the most vulnerable communities across the continent. Having signed and ratified the Paris Agreement, nearly all African countries are now committed to climate action in support of building resilience through early warning systems, comprehensive risk assessment and management, as well as risk insurance. Your Excellencies, through the Climate and Development Special Fund, the bank is working closely with regional climate centers across the continent to strengthen their capacity to offer timely and reliable weather and climate forecasts. And let me pause here to appreciate the donors, particularly the European Union and other partners that have contributed to the special fund. Since the operation of this fund in 2014, a total of 28 million euro grant resource in 12 countries and 5 regional climate centers has been disbursed and made to give substantial investments to strengthen the capacity of African climate institutions, providing satellite data, delivering services to offer timely and reliable forecasts. Let me say that at the heart of CDSF's effort is the 18.8 million euro invested in regional climate centers across Africa, positioned to lead the continent's effort in the face of impending extreme events. And we believe climate events are going to happen, but we don't believe they must leave behind the scale of humanitarian crisis that we've experienced in the past. So investment in the center has contributed to the development of high-resolution models, weather research and forecast models, which has helped to improve the capacity to provide severe weather early warnings that protect the livelihoods of more than 117 million people living in drought and flood-prone areas in the region. Let me add that at least 70 experts received training in numerical weather forecasting and prediction, disaster risk management, and flood forecasting. Your Excellencies, the bank's interventions have emphasized the establishment of modern infrastructure and equipment that will build the capacity of the center to serve better the disaster management needs of East African countries. As such, the banks provided key infrastructures such as computers, data storage, power storage. These infrastructure are helping the center to produce high-resolution weather and climate forecasts. Importantly, as part of the ongoing information program for disaster resilience, the bank installed a satellite data retransmission station at the center that will allow the center to receive high-resolution data to advance the region's work on numerical weather prediction. We are pleased to know that this center now holds a disaster center for the region, the first of its kind in Africa. Your Excellencies, we congratulate IGAD, its management, staff, partners, to the launch of these state-of-the-art facilities. But we also congratulate the leadership and the people of the government of Kenya for the work that they continue to do in leading the work on climate risk assessment, as well as contributing to the work on climate change adaptation in Africa. I thank you, and I look forward to the banks contributing and deepening our partnership with the center. Thank you very much.